Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of premium cookware with the ZHANG XIAO QUAN SINCE 1628 pots and pans set, a 13-piece aluminum non-stick cookware collection that promises to transform your cooking experience. This set is SGS certified and free from PTFE, PFAS, and PFOA, ensuring a healthier cooking environment, and its natural non-stick ceramic coating means even sticky foods like cheese and chocolate syrup slide right off. The detachable bakelite handles stay cool during cooking and allow for easy stacking and storage, making your kitchen more organized and efficient. With glass lids protected by silicone edges and a multi-layer composite pot bottom for uniform and fast thermal conductivity, these pots and pans are oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, provided you remove the handles first. Suitable for all stovetops and dishwasher safe, this set includes 2 frying pans, a sauté pan, 2 saucepans, detachable handles, PE and silicone lids, and pot and pan protectors, all packaged without plastic materials. Cleaning is a breeze. Just a simple wipe with paper or a quick rinse with water, and you're done. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this versatile cookware set is designed to meet all your culinary needs while keeping your kitchen tidy and stylish. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.